How are you? How are you? किपरि अछंती? What is your father? What is your father? आपन का बापा कौन करंती? How is your family? How is your family? आपन का परिवार समस्त किपरि अछंती? How about your work? How about your work? आपन का काम किपरि चलछि? What's up these days? What's up these days? आजकल कौन सब चलिछि? Where do you live? Where do you live? आपन केउंठी रुहंती? Where are you from? Where are you from? आपन केउंठी कार? What do you want? What do you want? आपन कौन चाहंती? What do you like? What do you like? आपन कौन पसंद करंती? What do you do? What do you do? आपन कौन करंती? What is the matter? What is the matter? कथा कौन बा घटना कौन? What is the problem? What is the problem? असुविधा कौन? Did you like that movie? Did you like that movie? तुम इसे फिल्म पसंद कलो? Did you like that food? Did you like that food? तुम इसे खाइबा पसंद कलो? How was your day? How was your day? आपन को दिन केमती थिला बा आपन को दिन केमती कटिला? Do you need any help? Do you need any help? तुमरो किछि सहाय्य दरकार? How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? एबे तुमे किपरि अनुभव करूछो? Who is that fellow? Who is that fellow? से लोक किए? What would you like to have? What would you like to have? तुम्हें कौन खाइबा को चाहिबो? How far is your home? How far is your home? तुम घर केते दूर? What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? तुम फांका समय रे तुम्हें कौन करो? Are you single? Are you single? तुम्हें एका? What brings you here? What brings you here? केमते आड़े चली आसले? What is your intention? What is your intention? तुम्हारा उद्देश्य कौन? Why don't you listen? Why don't you listen? तुम्हें काहे की सुनना हो? What is it all about? What is it all about? यह क्यों विषय रे? When will you come? When will you come? तुम्हें केबे आसीबो? Who are you? Who are you? तुम्हें किए? When will you go? When will you go? तुम्हें केबे जीवो? How is your health? How is your health? तुम देह केमती अछि? How much money did you spend? How much money did you spend? तुम्हें केते टंका खर्च कलो? Do you want to go? Do you want to go? तुम्हें जीवा को चाहो कि? Are you upset? Are you upset? तुम्हें दुखी की? How long it will take you to come? How long it will take you to come? तुमको आसीबा को केते समय लागिबो? Do you feel tired? Do you feel tired? ତୁମେ କ୍ଳାନ୍ତ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛ କି? What next? What next? ଏହା ପରେ କ'ଣ? What to do? What to do? କ'ଣ କରିବା? What to see? What to see? କ'ଣ ଦେଖିବା? What to know? What to know? କ'ଣ ଜାଣିବା? What to say? What to say? କ'ଣ କହିବା? What about him? What about him? ତାଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ କ'ଣ? What to taste? What to taste? କ'ଣ ଚାଖିବା? What to cook? What to cook? କ'ଣ ରାନ୍ଧିବା? What to study? What to study? କ'ଣ ପଢ଼ିବା? Why me? Why me? କାହିଁକି ମୁଁ? Why so? Why so? କାହିଁକି ଏମିତି? So what? So what? ତ କ'ଣ ହେଲା? What else? What else? ଆଉ କ'ଣ? For when? For when? କେବେ ପାଇଁ? For what? For what? କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ? What about? What about? କେଉଁ ବିଷୟରେ? Why them? Why them? କାହିଁକି ସେମାନେ? What's that? What's that? ତାହା କ'ଣ? For whom? For whom? କାହା ପାଇଁ? Then what? Then what? ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ? Then when? Then when? ତାହେଲେ କେବେ? Why now? Why now? କାହିଁକି ଏବେ? What's up? What's up? କ'ଣ ଚାଲିଛି? Why not? Why not? କାହିଁକି ନୁହେଁ? What if? What if? ଯଦି ହେଲା ତ କ'ଣ ହେବ? Why him? Why him? ତାଙ୍କୁ କାହିଁକି? Why you? Why you? କାହିଁକି ତୁମେ? Why us? Why us? କାହିଁକି ଆମେ? Why to go? Why to go? କାହିଁକି ଯିବା? Who is it? Who is it? ଏହା କିଏ? Who is he? Who is he? ସେ କିଏ? Who am I? Who am I? ମୁଁ କିଏ? Who are they? Who are they? ସେମାନେ କିଏ? Who is laughing? Who is laughing? କିଏ ହସୁଛି? Who now? Who now? ଏବେ କିଏ? Who next? Who next? ଏହା ପରେ କିଏ? Where to go? Where to go? କେଉଁଠିକି ଯିବା? Where to sit? Where to sit? କେଉଁଠି ବସିବା? Where to write? Where to write? କେଉଁଠି ଲେଖିବା? Where to play? Where to play? କେଉଁଠି ଖେଳିବା? How to go? How to go? କେମିତି ଯିବା? Where to live? Where to live? କେଉଁଠି ରହିବା? Whom to send? Whom to send? କାହାକୁ ପଠେଇବା? Whom to meet? Whom to meet? କାହାକୁ ଭେଟିବା? Whose is this? Whose is this? ଏହା କାହାର? Who is there? Who is there? ସେଠି କିଏ? When to go? When to go? କେବେ ଯିବା? When to sleep? When to sleep? କେତେବେଳେ ଶୋଇବା? When to speak? When to speak? କେତେବେଳେ କହିବା? How about you? How about you? ତୁମେ କେମିତି ଅଛ? How to start? How to start? କିପରି ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା? What now? What now? ଏବେ କ'ଣ? Where to stay? Where to stay? କେଉଁଠି ରହିବା? So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please like this video if you find it helpful and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. Thank you and take care. Bye.